Visho, my friend, I've just flown into India from Japan where I saw the future at Jimtoff. But IMTEX is coming, isn't it?
It is.
Are you going to be there?
Absolutely.
Do you have a booth number?
I do. It is A127 Hall 3A.
Ah, that's a good one. We got to make sure to invite everyone. What are you going to be showcasing at IMTEX? If people are going, IMTEX has millions of people showing up. There's so many halls. There's so many things to see. Why come to the CTC booth?
Oh, because you got to see the best in precision in micro tool. We're going to showcase our 3C product line, our micro tools for watchmaking, for graphite machining. So there is a lot to offer.
Yeah, I completely agree with that. If I could add just a little bit, you guys have been around for over 40 years. You mentioned to me 20 micron tool diameters, which blows my mind. And on top of that, you're continuing to expand around the world with big partnerships in the US and Germany and Japan, the Middle East, even Brazil. So we invite all the people from around the world to IMTEX to see what you have going on.
Absolutely, absolutely. We want the world to know what we are doing here in India, and you know, we have products to offer to the globe, so we welcome all of you to come and see us and see our products.
Yeah, one of a kind, 20 micron tools. Can you believe that? Do you work in the micro precision world? I'm currently standing in a 52,000 square foot building. They continue to grow and expand for the last 40 plus years. I'm going to be at IMTEX. I'm going to be on their booth, and I hope to see you there as well.